Imagine a world without waiting lists for organ transplants. A world where hope doesn't dwindle with each passing day. This is the promise of AI organ printing, a revolutionary technology that could change medicine as we know it. Thousands of patients are waiting for a life-saving organ. The clock is ticking. But imagine if we could just print a new organ when we needed one. This isn't science fiction, it's the future we're working towards, and it's closer than you might think. AI organ printing could erase the agonizing wait and offer a second chance at life for so many people. So how does this incredible technology actually work? Picture this, a printer that uses bioinks instead of regular ink. These bioinks are special, they're made with living cells. Layer by layer the printer creates a three-dimensional structure like a heart or a kidney. But that's not all. Here's where the AI comes in. Artificial intelligence acts like a super smart conductor. It designs the organ structure, makes sure the printing goes smoothly, and even helps the printed organ to work properly once it's finished. The world of AI organ printing is buzzing with excitement. This revolutionary field is transforming the way we think about medicine and healthcare. Every day, scientists are making incredible breakthroughs. These advancements are not just theoretical, they are happening in real time right before our eyes. They're creating new and improved bioinks that are even more like the real thing. These bioinks are the building blocks of the future, capable of mimicking the complex structures of human tissues. Imagine bioinks that can mimic the intricate details of a human liver, or the delicate network of blood vessels in a heart. This level of precision is crucial for the functionality of printed organs. Priya. One of the most exciting areas is vascularization. This process involves creating a network of blood vessels within the printed organ, which is essential for it to survive and thrive. This is about creating a network of blood vessels within the printed organ, which is crucial for it to survive and thrive. Without this network, the organ would not be able to receive the nutrients and oxygen it needs. And now, thanks to AI, we're getting closer than ever. AI algorithms are helping us design these complex vascular networks with unprecedented accuracy. AI is also helping us create personalized organs, tailored to each patient's unique needs. This means that in the future, organ transplants could be a thing of the past, replaced by custom-made organs that are a perfect match for each individual. Section 4. The dawn of a new era in healthcare. The potential benefits of AI organ printing are, well, mind-blowing. This revolutionary technology is poised to transform the medical landscape in ways we could only dream of a few years ago. Carlos, first and